Hello. Hello everybody. Today I am going to solve 25th WB set question paper 1, all 50 questions. I have given this exam and I have experience about this exam. If you want to, I downloaded this question paper from their website. If you want to download this question paper, you can also download it from Google. Just simply type previous year WB set question papers. It will come. So let's get started. So this is a general for everybody. So this is first question. Identify the non-probability sampling techniques from the following. Here the question asking non-probability sampling. So non-probability sampling. So there is generally two type of sampling. One is probability sampling, other is non-probability sampling. Simple random sampling. This is probability sampling. So this will not come. Systematic sampling. This is also probability sampling. This will not come. Stratified sampling. This will also not come. Here, purposive sampling. This will come because this is your non-probability sampling. Why this will not come? Simple random sampling. What is simple random sampling? Suppose there is a population and you are going to take one sample from here. So how you have chosen this sample? You have chosen this sample in a very unbiased way. That is, there is no any type of manipulation is here. So that's why it is a simple random sampling without any manipulation. Without any manipulation, and there is your approach is very unbiased here, not biased. So that's why this is simple random sampling. There will be no biasness. And what is this? Systematic sampling. Systematic sampling. Systematic sampling is what? Systematic sampling is, suppose there is a population and you are going to take nth number. What is nth number? Nth number you are going to take. Suppose you are taking fifth. You are going to take fifth number. So, suppose there is 100 population is here. You are going to take fifth. And after that fifth, you are going to select 10th. And then 15th. So, you are maintaining a systematic. You are maintaining a interval. So, there is a fixed interval. That is, there is a gap of 5. So, this is systematic random sampling. And what about the next? Next is here what? Stratified sampling. This will I explain you with the help of one page. I want to insert page. How can I insert page? It's okay. I'm just taking a new page. So what was there? There was stratified sampling. There was a stratified sampling. What is stratified sampling? Suppose there is a sample. Suppose there is a population. In a population, there is a male, female, and children. All are there. And you are going to take what? You are going to, as a sample, you are going to first make a strata of male members, strata of female members. you will make strata of children's also. So this way we are going to make a strata. These are the strata you made. Now we are going to choose anyone. That is, if you want to do experiment on this, male, female, you can select anything. That is, you can select male, just one. You will select just one. And if you want to do female, you will select only female. And if you want to do children, you will select only children. The whole will you will take. So first you will make strata here. এখানে কি করেছো তোমার একটা পপুলেশন আছে পপুলেশন মধ্যে থেকে কি নিয়েছো মেল ফিমেল and children's here you make what here you make strata একটা strata বানিয়ে দিয়েছো different male female children now you are going to select sample now you are going to choose the male if you want to choose male you will choose the whole male and if you want to choose female you will choose the whole female and the children if you want to choose the children you will choose children here and what is this here the internal what is inside there the inside is what the inside is male all male is here there is all members of what male members so here you can say that is between no not between there is between not between internal homogeneous and the internally homogeneous. Why homogeneous? There is all is male. There is a bit inside this. There is all female, and there is all children. So internally, what? All the data is homogeneous. But if you see the between is here. What? Between is here. मतलब between male, female. What? Between male, female is what? There is a different, not same, not homogeneous. There is a different. So this question also can ask that in a stratified sampling, internally what we select homogeneous data and the between these are the different, not homogeneous data. So this is what stratified sampling in such a way you choose. Now move to the next question. What is the next question? The next question is the item in a questionnaire should be presented in the following order. So here we just move to the answers. The answers is what? The answers is general to specific. And here is easy to very difficult. This is what? Easy to very difficult. We are going to something difficult. Why we will go to something difficult? No, we will not go to something difficult. The known to unknown. Why will go to unknown? Simple to complex. Why will go to complex? Everything will be simple. First we'll start from the complex things, then we will go to the simple things. Here all three is opposite. Here all three is opposite here. These all are उल्टा दिया है और यहाँ पर क्या है general to specific. What is general to specific? In a very simple way, I will explain you. Look, there is a tree. What is this? If you see, what is this? This is a tree. But if you going to choose any leaf or any branch, first you will teach to a student about the whole general things, and then now here you are going to explain what about the branch, about the leaves. It's very specific. Here is what general. This is a general thing, and here you selected a specific thing, and you are going to explain this to children. Very specific things. So this is general to specific. Now move to the next question. SurveyMonkey. SurveyMonkey is what? An online reference tool. The name, the question itself is explaining the answer. That is SurveyMonkey. So this is what? Survey templates. The answer is survey templates. Before one, the answer was general to specific. And this one is survey template. Some survey templates, it's what? Survey Monkey is what? It's a cloud-based software. I will little explain here. It's a cloud-based software. It's a cloud-based software. यहाँ पर आप ऑनलाइन सर्वे कर सकते हो. Here you do what? Online survey. Through what? From the people. From their voice, from their notes, from their opinion. You can do. And what is this? I will explain little bit of this one also. SPSS integration. The full form is important here. Statistical package for social science. Here we do what? यहाँ पर हम लोग करते हैं डाटा को मैनेज करते हैं, अरेंज करते हैं, समथिंग लाइक दैट. एनालिसिस भी करते हैं यहाँ पर. So, and then what is this? Real time something which is immediate कुछ result आना, something like that. And text analysis is what? Simply text का analysis करना. The next question is what? Ethics in research is not concerned with. The question is what? Ethics in research is not concerned with. Here, not concerned with what? Not concerned with. So, ethics, what is this? Ethics. Claiming others' ideas as one's own. This is related with ethics. Political ideology of researcher. Political ideology of researcher. This is about what? Political ideology. Political ideology will not come next. Move to the next. Invasion of participant survey, participant privacy. Now, what is this invasion? The invasion is here what? The invasion is here attack of participant privacy. आप यहाँ पर attack करते हो किसके ऊपर? Participant के privacy पर. And self-plagiarism is related with your ethics. So what will not comes here? This will not come here. Political ideology will not come here of the researcher. This will not come. So political ideology will not come here. Now next question. The question is saying, question number 5. This question is saying what? This question answer, we will go to the answer first. This is match based question. So the answer is this for this question is question number B. Answer B. What is the B? The first one is what? Peer interaction is in a racially mixed classroom of an urban high school. Peer का interaction हो रहा है. Whose interaction? Peer interaction. So this is going to ethnographic. Why this is going to ethnographic? I will tell you. Because in ethnographic, what we will do? Here we will study about the culture, about the people behavior, and about the society and social behavior. So here peer interaction in a racially mixed classroom of an urban high school. So this will go to the ethnographic research. And why ethnographic? Because this is relating with the cultural society and the social behavior. Here we consider. So the peer interaction. Whose interaction? Peer interaction. So peer interaction is what? It's related with the ethnographic. And what is the next? Developmental pattern of intelligence among middle school students. Related with what? One. Cross-sectional. Why cross-sectional? Because what is cross-sectional? Cross-sectional is what? One time. Here we do what? One time study we will do. It's very important. Listen. Here we do one time study. One time study we will do. But how many variables? One time study, but variable is min. We will do research at one time, but lots of variables are there. So why there is development pattern of, there is a lots of pattern. We are going to choose lots of pattern. That's why we are going to choose this cross-sectional, because there is lots of pattern, lots of variables are there. That's why. And now next, the question C. Effect of watching television on science achievement of ninth grade students. We are going to watch the effect, key effect. बच्चा टीवी देखिए नाइन्थ ग्रेड स्टूडेंट उनका क्या इफेक्ट है सो व्हाट इज दिस सिंपल एक्सपेरिमेंटल रिसर्च एंड impact of education on social status of marginalized student groups impact of education on social status of marginalized group आप impact देख रहे हो किसका education का on social status of marginalized group आप इसका impact देख रहे हो something has happened already and you are going to see the what the impact so this is exposed factor. Why exposed factor? Because here you do study of what after something happened in the past and you are going to see the effect. So that's why this one. Okay. So answer will be B. Now the next question is what? The next question is which of the following is a character combination of following in combination characteristic qualitative research. Qualitative research is important here. So what is the feature of qualitative research? Let's see. So research tool dependence. सबसे पहले तो दिख रहा है यहाँ पर कि context free generalization, context specific generalization, and in a qualitative research, this is not a quantitative 1, 2, 3, no quantity. Here what text. So this will come here, and the context free will not come. So just move to the answer. पहले हम लोग क्या चेक करेंगे आंसर को देखेंगे आंसर को क्या देख रहे हैं सो विल कट व्हाट 3 को कट कर दो यहाँ पर कट ये भी 3 तुम्हारा कट गया 3 context free generalization yes 3 cutting 3 cutting 3 cutting what will be the answer will be B oh simple answer will be B let's see 2 4 5 2 4 and 5 what is 2 researchers dependence yes researcher यहाँ पर dependence रहता है and context specific कंटेक्स्ट होता है यहाँ पर टेक्सटुअल का हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं टेक्सटुअल यहाँ पर हम लोग एनालिसिस करते हैं एंड मिनिमम साइटेशन ऑफ लिटरेचर हियर वी डू मिनिमम साइटेशन ऑफ लिटरेचर कुछ चीजें आपको याद करनी यू हैव टू लर्न एंड रिसर्च टूल डिपेंडेंस वो डाटा वाले में रखते हैं हम लोग सो दैट विल नॉट कम सो द आंसर विल बी बी मूव टू द 7 नंबर क्वेश्चन ऑब्स्टिकल obstacle which distort the meaning of the message in a communication are termed as this is simple distort the meaning of the message so meaning will what it will go to semantic simple deficient barrier language barrier structure में barrier आ जाना language भी semantic oh the answer will be what semantic the confusion is what language barrier and language barrier not will come here because semantic will come because semantic is a barrier the language barrier is also come in semantic barrier I think move to the next question in our group logical sequence of effective communication follow the following steps this was the question of commerce of paper 2 I think but they ask in question paper 1 also so what is the logical sequence of effective communication you are going to effectively communicate effective communication how you are going first of all you will what do first any type of communication you are going to do in a group so you will first do form the group will form what next after forming lots of different type of people are in a group came so what will happen the fight the storm will came And after storm, you are going to form, storm, and you are going to norm. The answer came. After norming, we are going to normalize. Normal, calm down. And after coming down, you are going to do your job, performance. You all will perform. And what will be the end? Adjourn. What is the adjourn? Adjourn is winning. You are going to win. Okay. So the answer will be forming and norming, storming. No, forming, storming, norming, and performing, adjourning. The answer will be C. Yes, the answer is C. Move to next question. Protection. Protection of an original music composition and recording is in the domain of, okay, the protection of an original music composition. Here they're asking about musical composition. The music is related with what? Music is related with copyright, not trademark. Brand is different, which is brand image in the mind of the consumer, and logo is a symbol something. And trademark is what? We will take trademark for any type of symbol or any type of slogan, logo. So trademark will come here. So there will be answer will be copyright. Let me check one time about the, yes. So next question. What is next question here? Question number 10. In a society where people learn from member of other cultures and grow together in having an what? The answer will be intercultural environment. Just you have to learn. And this is also one static portion. And here you have to do some. So the answer is for this question is question number B. Answer B. Why B? Let's see. A. What is A? Journalism of courage is B. That is Indian Express. And the India's national newspaper since 1878 is your The Hindu. And let the truth prevail. The Times of India or the statement? It's going to be statement. And no, it's not going to be statement. Sorry. Let the truth prevail. Let's go to Times of India. And the People's Parliament always in session is the statement. There are two statements given below. Let's see. Swam Indian Government MOOC platform primarily aims. What aims? Take the best teaching learning resources to all the learners, including the most disadvantaged group. Yes. Not to accomplish three cardinal principles of education: access, equity, and the quality. Why not? This will come. So answer will be 1 is correct and 2 is incorrect. This will come. This is also one feature of Swamprava. That is very important feature of access, equity, and the quality. These are the three cardinal principle of Swamprava or Swam. So not no. There will be not no. नहीं not नहीं आएगा यहाँ पर. Not आज बनाए खाना. So now the question is you're going to matching. So the answer for this question is question number D. Answer D. So Diksha is a portal for what? For Vidyadan. And Swayam is online courses through MOOC. And so what is Swayam Prabha? I think it's a broadcasting educational channel. And ePathshala is graded learning materials. Here they provide the material. So I will share here little bit something. Let's see. Maybe writing here is yes, it's fine. Let's see. So Diksha portal will come in year 2017. That is 5/9/17. When someone Swamprabha will come, this question they can ask Swam and Swamprabha. The Swam will come. Swam came. Who's bigger, Swam or Swamprabha? 9 July. I think Swamprabha is bigger. 7 July. And what when this will come? E-Pathshala, it's your 2015. What is the full form of Diksha? दीक्षा का फुल फॉर्म बता दो. डिजिटल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फॉर नॉलेज शेयरिंग. नॉलेज को शेयर करना है. नॉलेज शेयरिंग knowledge sharing. This is the knowledge sharing. Digital infrastructure for knowledge sharing. नॉलेज शेयर करना काम है दीक्षा पोर्टल का. ऑप्शन में क्या था देखें. ऑप्शन में था विद्या का दान. ओके. दिस इज फॉर ऑल टीचर्स, parents and student, for all this app. And this will started by whom? This is started by NCERT plus Ministry of Education. They started this program, Diksha Portal. Moving to the next question, 14 number question. Which of the following maximize the learning environment in an education institution? Which will involve? Which will maximize? Which will maximize? The maximization will be formative evaluation. Why formative evaluation? Because this we will do during the process. During the process, during any type of process which is going in the class, we will do. And here we will get immediate feedback. So that's why this one. Now move to the next question. 50 number question. The answer for this question is B. What is the question? Moving from concrete to abstract thinking. Concrete to abstract thinking is academic. Concrete से कहा जा रहा है abstract thinking में. It's like a CM. C to A. That is concrete से आप कहा जा रहा है abstract में. Concrete is what something is there which is visible and you are going to that. Something निराकार रूप में. Something beyond. Something is like a abstract निराकार. And the next question is in the process of establishment. The process of establishing sense of personal identity. In the process of establishing the sense of personal identity. Personal identity कहाँ आप establish करना चाहोगे? Society में? Yes. And demonstrate resilience and coping skill. Coping skill is your emotional. And focus on personal decision making is your decision making. आप कुछ अपने mind से कुछ cognitive activity करोगे. That is cognitive activity. Okay. The answer is Eka 3, 2, 4. Yes, and 2. Correct. Move to next question. Oh, this is the question of maths. So the question is asking what? Following table provide figure in rupees of annual expenditure of farms for 2 years, 2010 and 2011. In 2011, which of the following two categories have registered by same percentage increase? 2011, they are asking the same percentage increase from the year 2010 to 11. In which year same percentage is happened? In which material? Raw material, salary and wages, advertisement, power and fuel. So the answer for this question is question number D. Answer D. Why D? Let's see. In the D is what? Raw material and research and development. So raw material and research and development. So here is what? 2010. In 2010 what? How many material? 5200. यहाँ कितना है? 6240. How much? And in the research development what? 22,000. 26, 4 and 00. So how many increase is here? So we have to do calculate how many increase is here. Like you will compare from this year. 5200 से 6240 हो गया आपका रॉ मटेरियल. क्या हुआ? रॉ मटेरियल आपका इंक्रीज हुआ. तो कितना इंक्रीज हुआ ये कैसे निकालोगे आप? तो ऐसे निकालो. 6240 माइनस और बेस में क्या लेंगे? बेस में आपका ये लेंगे ओल्ड वाला, क्योंकि आप ओल्ड से कंपेयर कर रहे हो यहाँ पर. दैट्स वाई. सो ये आपका आ जाएगा. माइनस करने पर कितना आ रहा था? आपका आया 1040 एंड हियर इज 5200. और यहाँ पर 100 का इंटू करते हैं. वाई 100 का इंटू करते हैं? परसेंटेज में आ जाता है आपका. सो आप कट करिए. 2020 कटिंग कटिंग कटिंग. 2 दूनी 4, 2 चौका 12, 2 5 10, 2 दूनी 4, 2 कम 2, 2 3 6, 2 दूनी 4, 2 चौका 12, 13, 13 दूनी 26. तो 13 दूनी 26. तो कितना हो गया यहाँ पर? 20% इंक्रीज हुआ. तो सिमिलर इसको देख लेते हैं. इसको पेन दूसरा ले ले रहा हूँ. तो यहाँ पर क्या हुआ था? कितना इंक्रीज हुआ? लेट्स सी. कैसे लिखोगे आप यहाँ पर? 26400 माइनस 22,000. और आपका बेस क्या है? बेस आपका 22,000 होगा. और यहाँ पर परसेंटेज में आपको आंसर चाहिए तो 100 से इंटू करोगे. सो माइनस कर आएगा आपका कितना? 4,400 आ जाएगा. और 22,000 इंटू करो यहाँ पर. कटिंग सॉरी यहाँ पर कट करो. पहले 20 22 22 344 आ गया सिंपल सा 20%. सो ये देखो यहाँ पर भी क्या है? 20%. और यहाँ भी क्या है? 20%. सो दोनों में क्या हो रहा है? सेम इंक्रीज हो रहा है. किस में? रॉ मटेरियल में और रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट. सो द आंसर इज दिस वन. सो मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. This question is something different. DI, they not asked DI, 5 DI, but they asked 1 DI. This is not a DI, it's like a maths also, you can say. DI भूल गए पूछना वो. हो जो DI करके गए होंगे उनका क्या होगा? हुआ होगा. कुछ नहीं हुआ होगा. So let's do the question. So the ratio of male to female student in a college for 5 years is plotted in the following line graph. So the male and female students are in a college. They plotted for the 5 year 2009 and 2008, 9, 10, 11, 12 for the 5 year. Yes. If the number of female students double in 2009, if the number of they are giving something here, information, we have to write that information. They said what? They said something about interesting, that if the number of female students double in 2009. So here is what? First is what? The ratio of male to female. They are asking about the male to female. The first is male and then female. So male to female. 5 year के लिए था. And if the number of female student double in 2000, number of female will be double. So they said male, female. Who will double? Female will be double. This will be single. This will be double हो गया. As per their question. So what? Male upon female equals to 1/2. Okay. And next क्या बोल रहा है फिर? By what percentage did the number of male student increase in 2009? So they're asking about the 2009. What percent increase? We will check increase in 2009. But from where? From 2008 we will see how much increasing. From 2008 we will see that how much increase is there. In whom? In male member. So they're asking about the male में कितना increase हुआ. So let's see. And here is what? In 2008 they have a data of what? They have data of 2008 and they go to the up. You will see here what? 2.5. And 2009, just go. You will get here 3. This is the ratio of there. So what they are saying? In 2008, and here we will do 2009. In 2008, there was a 2.5 and here was 3. 3. So the ratio of male to female. Male to female. Let's see. Male to female is 2.5. So 2.5. It's what? Male or female? Or here is also male to female. So if you do like this, male upon female, male upon female. So this is what? 2.5. Suppose this is male population are things they are showing here. The male student increase 0.5, 2.5, their ratio or something they are showing. So 2.5 is male is to female. And here is what? 3/1, something like that. So male is what? Male is 2.5 and here is male is 3. Yes. Or you can write like this also. 2.5, 1 year and 3, 1 year. But they are asking about male. Male. They're asking about the male. How much increase is there in male number? Let's see the question. They have asked what percentage did the number of male students increase 2009? They are asking about the male members. The question just said about in the above that this portion that the male and female will be double. In the question they said 5 floated and if the number of female students double in 2009. So this is about 2009. In 2009, the female will be double and the male is just 1. This is double. We can suppose कि let's 1. We consider it as what? Let male population is what? 1 and the female is double. So दो गुना. That's why 2. एक का 2 गुना क्या होगा? 2. So that's why 2. सो द क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से इसको हम लोग यहाँ टपकाओ, फिल करो इस डाटा को यहाँ पर। फीमेल कितना है? फीमेल 2 है। मेल कितना है? मेल, फीमेल की जगह में पुट करो यहाँ पर। फीमेल इक्वल्स टू 2 ना, ऐसे लिख सकते हो आप। मेल इक्वल्स टू फीमेल, ये क्या दिया था? 1:2। तो यहाँ फीमेल कितना है? 2 है, डबल डबल है। तो दैट्स वाई यहाँ फीमेल को क्या करेंगे हम लोग? डबल करेंगे। सो मेल इक्वल्स टू क्या निकला? 3×2 = 6। सो मेल क्या हो गया अब? मेल हो गया आपका 6। और पहले कितना था यहाँ पर देखो, ये 2008 का डाटा है, ठीक है। 2008 में कितना है देखो, 2.5 है। तो 2.5 था 2008 में, अभी कितना हो गया 2009 में मेल? गैप, लेट्स सी द गैप। 6 माइनस 2.5 कितना आएगा? 0.5। और 5 में से 2 गया 3, 3.5। हाँ, 3.5। सो अब इसका परसेंटेज कितना इंक्रीज हुआ? 3.5 से इंक्रीज हुआ। यही तो हम लोग किए थे पहले वाला, प्रीवियस वाला रॉ मटेरियल वाले क्वेश्चंस में। क्या किए? तो ओल्ड कितना था? ये तुम्हारा न्यू है। न्यू कितना है? 6 माइनस ओल्ड कितना है? 2.5। और बेस से हम लोग डिवीजन देते हैं तो 2.5 से दे देंगे यहाँ पर, इंटू 100। तो हमको पता चल जाएगा कितना परसेंटेज इंक्रीज हुआ है। तो यहाँ से माइनस किए तो कितना आया? 3.5 आया। और ये हो गया 2.5। यहाँ से पॉइंट कटा और ये पॉइंट कटा, और यहाँ से 5 × 5 = 25, 5 × 7 = 35, 5 20, और ये कितना होगा? 714। सो 140। सो 140 इज व्हाट? हियर इज मेल। दे वर आस्किंग मेल परसेंटेज। लेट्स सी दे आर आस्किंग व्हाट। सो 140 is your answer, male percentage. So next move to the next question, which is asking about data acquisition in the process of sampling. Data acquisition. What is data acquisition? Is a process of sampling signals that measure real world physical condition and converting the resulting samples into digital numerical value that can be manipulated by computer. So यहाँ पर डाटा एक्विजिशन मतलब क्या करता है? ये एक तरह का प्रोसेस है जिसमें आप क्या करते हो, सैम्पलिंग को, सिग्नल को हम लोग जो मेजर करते हैं रियल वर्ल्ड के, जो रियलिटी जो रियल वर्ल्ड है ना, जो रियल वर्ल्ड को क्या कहते हैं हम लोग, एक प्रोसेस है जहां पर हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, अपने रियल वर्ल्ड को कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं। किसमें? here we are converting, here we are converting our real world को कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं किसमें? कैप्चर कर रहे हैं हम लोग किसमें? इनटू डिजिटल न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू में। अब इसको डिजिटल वाले कंप्यूटर में डालते हो आप। कैसे करते हो? कैन बी मैनिपुलेटेड बाय कंप्यूटर। यहाँ पर मैनिपुलेट करते हो उसको, जो रियल वर्ल्ड की भी कुछ भी सिचुएशन या फिर सिनेरियो को आप पकड़ करके रियल वर्ल्ड फिजिकल कंडीशन को कन्वर्ट करते हो आप किसमें? सैम्पलिंग के थ्रू सैंपल्स इनटू डिजिटल न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू में आप कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो। सो दैट इज कॉल्ड डाटा एक्विजिशन. And here the reason is what? Data acquisition, the process of digitalization data from the world around us, about the society, around us about the society. और इसको क्या कर रहा है? अब इसको कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं around us, so it can be displayed, analyzed and stored in a computer. आप इसको क्या कर रहे हो? स्टोर करते हो डिजिटली, एक तरह से आप डिजिटली कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो. सो दैट इज बोथ इज करेक्ट. एंड असर्शन भी, असर्शन रिलेशन को करेक्टली एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है. सो द आंसर विल बी सी. Next question. Next question is asking what? P equals to P is to Q is 1:2. P is to Q, that is P by Q is what? 1/2. Q by R is 4/3. R by S equals to 4/5. ऐसे नहीं करना है बस इसको, ऐसे नहीं करना है इसको, क्योंकि and then you asking U is the 50% more than S. What is the ratio of P and U? We will not do like this. In a simple trick we will do PQ. So here is a simple trick is what? P, Q, Q, R and R, S. So ये एक होता है ना यहाँ पर कि आपकी दिस इज कॉल्ड नेबरिंग मेथड, हियर वी अप्लाई नेबरिंग मेथड। सो यहाँ पर क्या कर देंगे, क्यू को ला देंगे, यहाँ पर भी क्या ला देंगे, क्यू। यहाँ पर क्या होना, यहाँ आर है तो आर को ला देंगे, हु इज नेबर, आर, हियर इज हु इज नेबर, हु विल बी नेबर, क्यू, हु विल बी नेबर, आर, हु विल बी नेबर, वो आर, जस्ट सेम। सो इस तरह से आप एक ये कर लेते हो यहाँ पर। और सिंपल यहाँ पर भी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एज पर क्वेश्चन क्या दिया है, बोलो, पी क्यू क्या दिया था, 1:2 दिया था, एंड क्यू आर क्या दिया था, 4:3 दिया है। आर एंड एस इज गिवन व्हाट, 4/5। So same way we will do 2, 2, 3, and here 4, 4, 4. So what will become? Now we are going to multiply. 4, 16, 16, 16. But why we are going to calculate all? Let's see what they asked. U is the 50% more than S. U is 50% more. U, P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S. And they are saying U is 50% more than S. 50% more. U is what? 50% more. So 50% more. 50% more of what? More than S. Whatever is S. 50% more. Whatever is S, the 50% more than S. Whatever is S here, the 50% more. Then S. जो भी S है यहाँ पर, उसका कंपैरिजन में 50% more will be there. And what is the ratio of P is to U? And they were asking about the P and U. P. P. What is P? What is the P value? So here P, Q, R, S. So we are there asking about the value of P. So here the 16. And what about the S? S क्या है? 5 या 15, 15 दूनी 30. S is 30 here. And 50% of S, that is 50%, you know? 50% of S is 30. 30 का 50%. You can write like this also. The half of 30. Half of 30 is what? Half of 30 is 15 plus 30. So what is there? 5, 3 और एक 4. टोटल कितना है? So U कितना आ रहा है आपका? U आपका 45 आ रहा है. U is 45 here. So they are asking about what? P is to U. So P यहाँ से क्या आया? 16. What happened? Why my pen tab is not working? What I did? I clicked something wrong, I think. I'm so sorry. It's working. डर गए थे हम. चलो क्या है, P बोल रहा है. What is P? P की बोल से P. They are asking what? What is their question? The P is to U. So P is to V. Where is P? P is what? Here. The P is what? 16. So right here 16. And what is U? We got U what? With answer. Simple. We are getting answer is D. Move to the next question. The question is very interesting here. So what is the question? Qualitative data. That is what? 1, 2, quantity. About something, numerical. And what is this? Oh, sorry. This is qualitative. This is qualitative, not quantitative. This is qualitative. And this one is quantitative. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 quantity. About the quantitative data. And this is a discrete series. Discrete, do you know what is discrete? which is countable, that we can count 1, 2, 20, 50, which we can count, which we can count. So this is what 50. So this is which we can countable. And what is continuous? Continuous we cannot count. That is something like a infinity. Like we can say that like 1.2, 0.00001, like this, which is difficult to count. So this is called continuous data. In simple, I said, now move to the question. What they have given. The answer they given is C. So qualitative data. Description based. Qualitative is description based. Yes, qualitative is description based. Qua Qualitative is description based. Now quantitative. What is quantitative? Measured, numerical and countable, or countable or measurable. Something confusing. Oh, countable or measurable. Numerical and countable. They have given one. That is countable and measurable. Quantitative is what? Countable and measurable. And discrete data. Discrete data is what here? Discrete, which is easily countable and numerical. Same. So C will be 4. And what is continuous? Continuous something like that, difficult to count. So why they are saying measured in interval scale? Why they are saying measured in interval scale? Measured in interval scale. Why they are showing interval? Do you know what is interval? Interval is what? There is something came NO, that is nominal, ordinal, interval, and the ratio scale. These are the scales, measures of scale. So interval is here what? Interval is here. They are saying about the gap. That the same gap. Something is gapping is here, same gap. Same gap will be here. So interval. Same interval they are going. That is nth term, like same. I said you fifth. And then we choosing 10, then 15. Something like that. So there is an interval, the same gap of interval. So why? The continuous is same gap of interval. It's very difficult. No, it's not possible to same gap of interval, because this is continuous. It's not countable. But why they have said? They have said because there is a reason of saying like that. Suppose example. You say you have lots of time we say the age. What is the age? 1 year, 6 months. Suppose 20 year, 16 year, 2 months, something like that. Yes? So this is what? This is in numerical, but there's a point also. So this is what? This is a continuous data. But the age factor, the age itself is what? It's a qualitative. It's a qualitative. Age itself is qualitative. Weight itself is a qualitative. So that's why sometimes this is measured as interval scale also. Age itself is showing what? It's complete something is showing. Not it's a continuous, not as uncountable. Itself it's a countable. So that's why it's a measured interval scale. Just remember this. In simply I have explained here less than 1, 2, 20, 50. It's a countable and continuous in the point, which is difficult to count. I will want to show some more feature about it. What is this? This is your within range. This discrete is within range, but this is not within range. Why within not range? Because look, it's difficult to count. It's not within the range. So they are not within the range, and they are specific value, and they are not specific. Here we can specifically say 1, 2, 20, 50. But here we cannot say specifically 1.1, 0.2, 1.2, not now. Like this. I hope you have understood. তোমরা বুঝতে পারছো, I hope. Now the maths question. Again, the one maths question is came. So find the missing characteristic from the given response. 3, 5, 34, 3, 9, 90, 1, 5. What? So 3, we can see here 3 square. That is 9. 5 ka square, 25. What? Just add them. 25, 9, 34. 3 ka square, 9. 9 9 ja, 81, 81. Just add them. 1 का square, 5 का square, 1 plus 25. What will be the answer? 26 रुपए. So here the answer will be 26. And now the coding and decoding. It's also maths. Mention is written as Lenito. Mention. Mention. MENTIO. And mention is written as LNET. This is a mistake. There is a little mistake. I will show you what is the made this. L and M. There is a gap of 1. As we know, M is what? 13 and L is 12. So LM. So there is a gap of 1. So this is 1. So there will be also pattern. Let's see the pattern. PATTERN. So same with the pattern. So just take a gap. M ke before mein L. So LMOP. OP. So O will come here. Okay. Let's move to the next. So here you can see the E is here and N is here. They are doing cross. Similar way, will also cross here. So T will be here and A will be here. And then they did N is here, O is here. So N is here, R is here. So in such a way our answer came. Or E is here and T is here. So they have mistaken here. There will be I. I is here and T is here. So यहाँ पर I होगा ये I. So यहाँ पर होगा E and ये होगा T. So OT AE OT AE TNR TNR. So the answer will be 3. So answer will be 3. Yes. Find a missing number that will replace the question mark in the following figure. So what is this? 1 slide, 2 slide, 3 slide. Here is what? 3 slide. That's why they have given 3. And here is what? 1, 2, 3 sides. So 4 sides. So that's why they're 4. Same way, 4 sides. So 4. This is also 4 sides. So 4. And here count how many sides are there. 1 sides, 2 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides. How many? 5 sides are there. So answer will be 5. Yes. Find the missing characteristic from the diagram and choose the correct answer from the given alternatives. So here we can see simply 2 ka Q, 3 ka Q, and 4, 5, 6 and 7. Simply do 7 ka Q. 49 is to 7. 7 9 63 3 6 4 7 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 343 अगर आता है तो बहुत बढ़िया हम तो इंटू करके किए थे. So find the group of letters which is different from the others. Which is different from the others. Which is different from the others. So ये question थोड़ा सा मतलब थोड़ा सा time taking था, but it's easy if you remember the formula. So here one trick I will share because which is helpful. There is lots of more trick is here, but the formula is what? E Jyoti. E J O T y. That is 5, 10, 15. There is a gap of this you will learn. Then you will help. This will help. If you learn this, this will help you to do little faster. And आपको तो धीरे धीरे all you have to learn. तो मतलब कि all actually you have to learn slowly. Then this will be easy. So let's see UAV. What is U? U is 21. A is 1. V is 22, 2 and 23. C3. Here is a C. C is 3, 8, 9, 4, 10 and 5. And here is 24, 12, 25, 13, 26 and 14. N is 14. P is 19, I think. 16 and 5. Q is jungle queuing. 17 and 6 and 18 and 7. So let's see the pattern. What the pattern is saying. Simply we have seen that there is a gap of this pattern is moving to the which? Let's see. This is moving like this. Look, there is a gap. This one is looking similar to this one and this one. And this one is similar to this one. 1, 2, 3. So here is what? 8, 4. ये 4 कहाँ से? 4 not possible. 4 and 5 is correct way. And 12, 13 and 14. This is perfect. And 5, 6, 7. So simply we can see that this is a wrong pair. So this will be the answer. So now this question is something different. I will no, just solve this now. Otherwise it's difficult. If I forget, then not well will happen. So this question is something different, and why they ask this type of question, I don't know. But they have asked, so you have to just do. May sometime they will repeat sometime. So just do. But it's I have আমি ওটা করতে পেরেছিলাম না in exam. So a man having certain number of small boxes. Man having certain number of small boxes to pack into parcel. Small boxes. Something small boxes having a man. ये small boxes আছে ওর কাছে আর ওই এই বক্সগুলোকে প্যাক করে একটা বক্স মধ্যে this one a man has a certain number of small boxes. There is a certain number of small boxes packed into the parcel. This is the parcel. So the man parcels these boxes into the parcels. Small boxes in the parcel. If he pack 3, 4, 5 and 6 in a parcel, there are 3 boxes. If he pack 3 boxes, like a, suppose this is a parcel and here is a 3 things and the second box 4 things, pack small boxes and here 5 small boxes and here 6 small boxes. This one is going to they are telling and he is left. If he pack, the question is saying if he pack 3, 4 and 5 or 6 in a parcel, he is left over with 1. He is left over. If he pack 3, 4, 5, 6 left over with 1, একটা says বেঁচে যায় ওর. And if he pack 7 in a parcel, that one parcel in a bigger, and if he pack 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then he's saying nothing left. No leftover, nothing left over. So I will explain in a simple term. I will explain. Let's see what they said. So the formula of this question is what? Number. If you are going to check the number, here is number is what? The formula of number is something x plus n, and something will be what? Something will be LCM plus 1. This is the formula of number. Formula of number. This is the formula of number. They are saying if you pack 3, 4, 5 and 6 in a parcel. So 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have to take the LCM of them. And if you take LCM, you will find the LCM is 60 will come. And just keep here the 60 x plus 1. And they have said in the question that if they pack the 7 small boxes into the parcel, then nothing will left over. So just divide by 7. I think 7 at 56. So what? 4. 4 will be what? Your remainder. 4 is your remainder left. So here is what? So remainder is 4 plus 1. So what will be the total? Is 5. So let's see which option. Now we have to move to the option. That which option is divisible by 5. And if you divide the all option and if you get remainder 1 also, that means the answer will be correct. Because we have taken here what? This portion. So let's see 301 divided by 5. 5 7 35, 5 31. So the remainder is 1. So answer will be this. Or if you are not getting this question, it's fine. One simple trick is what? They have said that if he is left over, yes, they have said what? If he packed the 7 in a parcel, none is left over. If he pack the 7 small boxes into the parcel, nothing left over. कुछ भी नहीं बचा, किछु शेष बाची नहीं. So you have to divide them. 106 divided by 7. You will say, if you'll get here something, it means there will be that will be no answer. That will not your answer. Why? Why that will be not answer? Because there is nothing left over. They have said nothing left over. But if you want to see the example, let's see. 7 एकम 7, 10 में 7 क्या कितना बचा? 3. 7 5 35. ये तो लिखो तो सही. 7 एकम 7, 7 5 35. सो 35. 1. यहाँ भी 1 बचा. यहाँ भी 15 है. सो ये क्या? फुल्ली डिविजिबल नहीं हुआ. तो 16 ये भी नहीं होगा. सो ये भी डिवाइड करना, ये भी नहीं होगा. এটা হবে না, এটা হবে না, কিন্তু এটা হবে. Let's see. 301 divide 7. 7. So it's fully divisible. Look, it's fully divisible, but there is something remainder came, but it's fully divisible. That's why there is nothing left over. So here is also nothing left over. So that's why the answer will be this one. I hope you understand. So the next question is your mind question, and you have to answer with your mind. In a group of person traveling in a bus, 6 person can speak Tamil, 15 can speak Hindi, and 6 can speak Gujarati. 6 person can speak Tamil, 15 can speak Hindi, and 6 can speak Gujarati. So these are the people who are saying, 6 people saying Tamil, 15 Hindi, 6 Gujarati. And now they said in that group, none can speak any other language. The language was fixed. Only Hindi, Tamil and Gujarati. Three languages they can speak. Nothing else. If two person in a group can speak two languages, if two person in a group, just take two person in a group. Suppose one person is here, I am a person. I am, change the pen. I am a person and I speak both the language, Hindi also and Gujarati also. And suppose two person is saying can speak two language. So here is also one person who speak Hindi and Tamil both. So there is a two person who are speaking two language. Okay. Yes. And now the next said what? And one person can speak all the three language. And there is a one person. There is a one person who know all the languages. Who know all the languages. That is Tamil, Hindi, and Gujarati all. So there is a one person who know all the language. Yes. So now the question they asked, then how many persons are there in a group? How many persons are there in a group? So how many persons are there? So totally we can see here, two can speak two language, two can speak three. Two can speak two language and two can speak two language. Here see the total. Total is what? 6 and 12 और यहाँ से 15. यहाँ पर 27 टोटल है. बट इन 27 में क्या हो रहा है? इन 27 में क्या हो रहा है? दो जो ऐसे लोग हैं जो दो दो लैंग्वेज जानते हैं. इट्स मीन दो ऐसे लोग हैं जो दो दो लैंग्वेज जानते हैं और एक ऐसे हैं जो तीनों लैंग्वेज जानते हैं. तो एक को यहां से माइनस करो जो दो लैंग्वेज जानता है. Something was I got that time, but I'm expecting now. What is happened? Just give me 1 minute. 6, 15, 6 and Hindi, Tamil, Gujarati. So total is 27. Yes. Huh. And why there is a 4 people? Why 4 people? One is here who is speaking all the language. 1, 2, 3. 3. One is here who is speaking all the 3 language. So minus कर दो 1. और यहाँ से एक पर्सन है जो ये भी बोल रहा है और ये भी बोल रहा है और ये भी बोल रहा है और ये भी बोल रहा है. So 2 person. Why I'm stacking now? 2% is what here? 2% is what? One person will be here included, one person here. They both are speaking some language. They both are speaking language. Let's see this question later we will see. But here the answer will be 20. 27 minus 4. 23. The answer will be 23. Yes, the answer will be 23. One person who is speaking the 3 languages. 3 languages. So there is a 2 person and one person who is speaking 3 languages. So 2, 2. So 3 person will be minus. 3 person minus कर दो. So what will be? 24. But one person more you have to minus because one is considering who is speaking the 3 language. I will see this question later. Actually, I did this with my conceptual understanding, but I am forgetting now. I don't have any trick for this question. The next question is what? How many rectangles are present in the figure? So let's see how many rectangles, how many squares and rectangles. So how many squares? Squares? This is not square, sorry. How many squares all equal and how many rectangles? How many squares and how many rectangles are present in the figure? As we know that rectangulars, all the rectangles also called known as, all the squares are also known as rectangles. Okay? But all the squares, all the rectangles are not squares. This is a normal concept. Okay? So let's see how many squares and rectangles are there. We can see here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 square. And if you take this one as a bigger portion, 1 more square, and this one, this is also one more, this is also one more square. So how many square is here? 4, 5, 6. And now we will see the rectangle. So this one also make rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 rectangle. So the answer is what? 10. Why this one I'm saying? Look, this is one rectangle, 2 rectangle, and this one also a rectangle. No, sorry. And this one is also a rectangle. So in such a way, you have seen there is a 4 rectangle. So answer will be 10. 10. 29. Two statement. Statement 1 and video is going to be long. Let's see. I will try to make it simple and short. Two statements. Just see the statements. Some bricks are cement. Some bricks. This is what? This is bricks. And they are saying some bricks are cement. This is the brick, and here the some bricks are cement. The whole is cement also. So this is cement, and now this one is done. All cement are sand. They are saying what? All the cements, this whole, all the cement is sand. Okay. So this one is also done. So now the conclusion. Let's see the conclusion. No bricks are sand. Bricks and sand. No bricks are sand. But there we can see the bricks and sand are, there is also the part of them. So this one is wrong. Bricks are cement and sand. Bricks is a cement and sand. Yes, here is cement is also, and the whole portion of sand is also. So this is correct. So the next question is what? What is the next term in the following? 2, 15, 41, 80. What is the gap? The gap is 13. The gap is 13, and here is what? Plus 1, 26. and then 39, and then we'll fill what? 39. They contributed all the Chukubawan. So what will be here? 2, 8 पाँच 13. 132. NEP 2020 recommend the following functions of the General Education Council. So this is the pillar. NEP having the pillar, 4 pillars. So this is also one pillar. General Education Council, which is concerned with what? Academic standard setting. This comes, there's a 4 pillar. 1, 2, 3, 4. GEC comes at the end, and this provide us about the academic standard setting or standardized rules and regulation, assessment and accreditation. This was provided by NAC, and budgeting and funding is also provided by something else. Funding for I think something था, an academic standard setting के लिए था ये शायद. Question A. Let's see. Yes. Academic standard setting था ये general के लिए. You have to learn this factual question. Which of the following is the values recommended by the NEP? This question having a little bit trouble. Why this was troubleful? Because the NTA and not NTA, the WB set their answer key website. I will show you. The question number 32. What is the question number? The question number is here 32. 32. Let's go to the 32 question. 32. Where is 32? Where is 32? 32. Oh, where is 32 gone? I have erased something. Actually, they have given the answer. Don't worry. It's okay. I have a offline paper. Don't worry. So they have given the answer for this question is A. In their answer key, they have provided 1, 3, and 4. But I think the answer will be C. But let's see. Because they are asking about what? Which of the following are the values recommended by the NEP 2020 that helps to develop the good human being. I have searched this question in the Google, and I have searched their website also. They are not there is not specifically saying something about the values recommended by the NEP. Lots of values are saying, but out of this, it's very difficult to find from them. From their website, it's very difficult. The values, lots of values are giving, but I cannot see the precise name from there in their website. So the answer is what? The values recommended by the NEP: the sacrifice, resilience, spirit of service, inclusiveness, creative imagination, scientific temper. So spirit of service, look, 3, and they have provided the answer: the sacrifice and spirit of service and scientific temper. But the answer will be here what? Spirit of service, inclusiveness, and scientific temper. It's difficult. You have to see the about this question. This question is very difficult to answer for me from my side also. Because sacrifice, resilience, spirit of service, inclusiveness, creative imagination, scientific temper, all is something is it's good sir, about the values. So from their website, the answer key is from A, and what I have seen, this one is also as an answer somewhere. I will just write here in an answer key. They have chosen this one. Which of the following is the first university in pre-independence India which provided holistic and multidisciplinary learning? So they have also provided this answer in their answer key, the Taxila University. They have provided Taxila University, but as we know that pre-independence era is what? Pre-independence is what? Our India, 1947. Before that, 1857. Three universities in Mumbai, Calcutta, and Madras. The three universities have been founded. So here the answer will be University of Calcutta. NAC, Assessment and Accreditation of General Higher Education Institution, refers to quality control, quality assurance, quality inspection, quality management, assurance, quality assurance. They provide quality assurance. Yes. Which of the following is the best method for inculcation of democratic value among adult learners? Which of the following is the best method of inculcation of democratic value? Which type of value? Democratic value. Among the adult learners, they have provided the answer for this question is open dialogue forum. Yes. Generally, this question is explaining is what? Which of the following is the best method of inculcation of democratic value? How you are providing democratic value among the adult learners? Democratic value, it's a normal Prajatantra value, democratically valued, where the both having the equal interaction, interactive. So among the adult learner. Next question for this question is what? The NDL, that is National Digital Library. National Digital Library and Vidwan, रूसा, राष्ट्रीय उच्चतर शिक्षा अभियान, उच्चतर शिक्षा अभियान. NEET is what? NEET is also for something, that is National Education Alliance for Technology. National Educational, not education, education, National Education Alliance. Alliance for Technology. Okay. So let's see the answer for this question. The answer for this question is D. Indian National Digital Library, all digital repository for all kind of learning material. So this one is going to be matched with one. With one is what? Something scholars, they have knowledge, experience, database, maybe. Yes, the database. Well done. Database profiles of scientists, researchers, faculty members in the teaching and the research. And what is this RUSA, Rashtriya Uchitar Shiksha Abhiyan? This will come in 2013. This is very important because sometimes they in an anti-UGC net they ask about the objectives for this question. If I have a something about RUSA, I will explain. Wait. RUSA is what? Rashtriya Uchitar, increase the gross enrollment and improve the quality of higher education. Yes? Yes. And what is NEET? National Education Alliance for Technology, to promote the use of technology in the education and enhance employability of students. This is about the technique. Here I have mentioned the technology. Then the key term. Here is what the key term. Increase the gross enrollment ratio. We are increasing the enrollment ratio to improve the quality of higher education. Move to the next question. I will explain the RUSA also. First finish the question answers. Application of ICT in research. Application of ICT in research ensure wider coverage of accessibility for required information. Application of ICT is what? Internet? Is it internet? Yes, it's internet. Yes. A private network that enterprise used to provide trusted third parties such as what? Such as suppliers, vendors, customers, and other business. Here, who is giving them information or sharing something? Company is sharing here. Private network, right? It's a private network. Secure and other business secure control and access to business information or operation usually called. Look, three terms are here given: the extranet, internet, and the internet. I will explain a little bit. And this is PAN, that is personal. This the full form is important, personal area network. So look here. Suppose there is a. I want to insert page, but I'm not getting the option. But I will explain here. The smaller one. Smaller one is what? Intranet. Intranet. And bigger than that is extranet. And bigger than that is your internet. Why the bigger is internet? Because here we will connect to the world. And what about the extranet? Extranet. In an extranet, our answer is what? Here for the question for this answer is what? Answer will be extranet. Why extranet? Because in extranet, we are going to connect. First, understand the intranet. In an internet, intranet is within an organization. Suppose this is a company. In a company, lots of employee work, manager, manager, and their internal employees are there. Lots of things are happening in a company, and they are connected with they have a network which is within their organization. Suppose this is a company ABC Limited. So they use the network which is known as what? Intranet. Which is known as internet. Internet. the organization they are using. And if if this organization is going to connect with the suppliers or customers, what customers, vendors. So if you are there connecting from if they want to connect from the outsiders, they will use what? They will use extranet. They will use extranet. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. This is for oh shit. This is extranet. I hope you understand this question. The term Internet of Things was coined by Calvin Austin at the presentation to Procter and Gamble in what? In which year? This is specific data you have to learn. 1999. A state of being constantly connected to technology, whether it is a through computer or it's through smartphone or any digital device, is termed as digital slavery. तुम उसके गुलाम हो गए हो डिजिटल के. And anthropogenic contamination is a form of pollution produced by directly by anthropogenic is what? It's simple. It's about a human-made activity. So here is the human-made activity. Yes. Water pollution. Simple. Water pollution. They ask about the PD, that is people and development environment. Water pollution encourages the growth of invasive plant due to low level of nitrogen and phosphate water. Why the low level? Encourage the growth of invasive plants. There will be no low level. Affect the microflora and microbe of the soil. They can affect because of water pollution. They can affect. Yes, they can affect and help plants help plants to grow and does not allow plants to absorb dangerous chemical from water. Help plants to grow and does not allow plants to absorb dangerous chemical from water. This is a water pollution? No, this is not a water pollution because they are saying positive thing. Help plants to grow and does not allow plants to absorb dangerous chemical from water. So this is a positive thing. This will not come. Affect the rate of photosynthesis of aquatic plant. They will affect. So this one and this one, that is 2 and 4 is a water pollution. And these are the positive thing. 1 and 3. So the answer is 2 and 4. Yes. Identify the non-fossil fuel from the following. Non-fossil fuels from the following, that is coal, uranium, natural gas, crude oil. Natural gas, uranium, coal, crude oil. The answer for this question is uranium. This is non-fossil fuel. Silent Spring was authored by Medha Patkar, Amitabh Ghosh, Ernest Haeckel, Rachel Carson. I think it's a D. Yes, it's a D. I have remembrance. So now we are, I think, 45 question. Improved human well-beings social equity, reduced environmental risk, and ecological scarcities are associated with this concept of social sustainability, green economy, silent spring, Montreal Protocol. What? Improved human well-being, social equity, human well-being, social equity, reduced environmental risk, all positive things. Ecological sacrifices, scarcities are associated with green. All is green. But why you are using highlighter? Yellow. All is green. So you have to apply green. So this will green. So now the all now lefted with reading comprehension. So this is the reading comprehension 46 to 45. Reading comprehension I am not going to here read. You have to do it from your home. You can download from their website this question paper and you can do from their website from your PDF. Okay, I will not explain here. But I left it with one question. I will explain that one. But I will explain the answers. Let's see. I will not explain the answers. I will just take out the answer. This is the paragraph. One thing I will say, paragraphs they provide generally bigger. So at the end they provide paragraph. So you have to do lots of practice about the previous year question and also MCQ with revision. Because at the end यहाँ पर एक to time to कम हो जाए. So you have to maintain your speed. For that you have to practice from now. So do all the previous year questions and MCQ also so that your speed can be good in the examination and your fear will be less. So do questions. Do also one RC regularly. You feel that and not in the online mode. Just keep in the question paper booklets. If you want to print out, take out the PDFs of all the mm, PDF printouts. You can print out from it also. And that will be easy and hassle free. You can do. And you can buy any book also for practice. There's such a long paragraph. 46. B D B D A B B D B D A B B D A B and C. The last one answer is C. And I left it with one question that will be what? That one question. So here is we completed all the 50 questions with a good explanation. So that's very interesting. You can do from here. I hope you will like it. I have explained all the questions in a very conceptual way, not very hassle free. One thing I will explain the RUSA also because that will important for your exam. They can ask. Next question. That was the question. Yes. My mind is little stuck here, but it's fine. Why I'm not getting. Sometimes it's happened. So here is what 15, six people are working and 15 telling in Tamil and 15 are saying Hindi and 6 are saying Gujarati. So, but two people inside there, one people, suppose you are saying Tamil and Hindi, I am saying Hindi and Tamil. It's mean how many persons are group? Two people are saying. Yes, now I'm getting. Now I'm getting. Okay, okay. So here is what? Two people is saying two language. So we will minus one people and one people. But what about we consider minus minus and one people who sing all the three languages. So this is also minus. But what? They are considering two languages. They are saying two languages. If we consider their single language, suppose they are saying Tamil and they are saying Gujarati, and so there is what, one language and one language which is left. So one people will say two language. Six can speak Gujarati. In that group, none can speak any other language. If two-person in the group can speak two languages, I am speaking two language, Hindi and English. Okay, and Hindi and Gujarati. Person be saying T and Hindi. Two people are saying two languages. They are saying one thing that's missing here. None can speak any other language. They are saying what? None can speak. In a group, person traveling in a bus, 6% can speak Tamil, 15 can speak Hindi, and 6 can speak Gujarati. Hindi, Tamil, and Gujarati. And they can, 6 people are saying Tamil, 15 are Hindi, and 6 are Gujarati. So total is what? Total is 17, 27 people are saying single languages. But they said that what? None can speak any other language. कोई भी other language नहीं बोल सकता. One can speak only one language. One can speak only one language. It's mean. We have considered that extra. We have considered two languages. The one people is saying, simply we can see that one people is saying two languages. It's mean we will consider that two times. We consider them two times, yes or no? Yes, we consider them two times. We consider them two times. Okay. So one minus and one minus and one minus. And we consider them two times. That's why one minus. None can speak any other languages. It's okay. Sometimes it's very difficult. If I will get the answer for this question, I will tell you. So answer will be 23, 12, 15, 27, and none can speak any other language. Any other language speak नहीं कर सकते. So we have considered 2% more. That's why we cut it 2%. Yes. That's why we cut it 2%. Okay. $27. And any person cannot speak any other languages. So 2% are saying two languages. So we consider single person in their counting, but they are saying one extra here, one extra here. So 2 times we consider them. So that will be minus. Why? We consider 2 times, not them. Because one can speak only one languages. It's mean they are saying one another language, extra language they are saying. It's mean we counted one more time them. One is included in 27 because one person is if I am suppose saying I'm in the sixth. I know Gujarati language, I know Hindi language. So suppose I am in the Hindi language and I am saying Hindi language, and I also know Tamil language. So I know Hindi language and I know Tamil language. So one time they consider me in the 15 as a Hindi language, but I know Tamil language also. It's mean one time they cannot consider me because none can speak any other languages. So it's mean there is one extra is there. So that's why one is extra here, one is extra here, so 2 minus here. And what about the third person? The third person who is what? The third person who speak all the 3 languages. All the 3 languages. Okay? Who speak all 3 languages, that is Tamil, Hindi and Gujarati also. So one time they are included. Suppose one person is you and you are speaking in Tamil. As you know Tamil, you are included in 15. तुम इसमें include हो. You are included in 15. But what about these two? These are extra. So minus them. Similar way, 2 is included. Similar way, 1 is included in the group. 1 is included in the group, but this one and this one is the extra. That's why they are also here. So 23. Wow. Well done. We did all the questions. But one thing I will explain here about the RUSA. So this I made a little bit extra for the RUSA. So let's explain in a very fast way, but in a good understanding speed way. So RUSA, it came in 2013. The key objective of RUSA was also to improve the access equity. Improve करना क्या है? Access देना, equity देना, quality in higher education through planned development of higher education at the state level. They are saying what? At the state level. They are saying at the state level. At the state level. About the state level they are developing. Okay. So objective included creating new academic institutions. They are establishing, they are creating what? New academic institutions and expanding, upgrading what existing one. Those which are existed, they have to improve there also. Improvement, upgrading, something is there. Institutions that are self-resilient in terms of quality education, professionally managed and characterized by greater inclination toward research and provide students with education that relevant to them as well as nation as a whole. So they provide research also provide student with education. So that's salient feature of RUSA are. Let's see the salient feature. The overall quality of state institutions by ensuring conformity to prescribed norms and standard and adopt accreditation as a mandatory quality assurance framework. Improve करना है किसको? Overall quality state institution, as I mentioned state level. So state हर state का improve करना overall quality को. Prescribed norms, standard and accreditation भी होना चाहिए आपका. डिग्री भी आपका होना चाहिए, एक्रेडिटेड होना चाहिए आपका, आप अंदर में इंश्योरेबल होना चाहिए, आपको वैलिडिटी होना चाहिए, आपका ग्रेड होना चाहिए, ग्रेडिंग होना चाहिए आपका, ताकि इससे क्वालिटी एनहेंस हो. उच्चतर शिक्षा रिफॉर्म इन द स्टेट higher education system by creating a facilitative institutional structure for planning and monitoring as at the state level. They are providing at the state level what? creating the institutional structure and promoting autonomy. This is also, they are providing autonomy in the state university, improving governance institution. They are providing autonomy, they are providing affiliation. What is affiliation? Affiliation, something, suppose you are studying, affiliation is what? Something you are, something is a higher body, you are inside that body. Suppose there's a Calcutta University. Within the Calcutta University or inside the Calcutta or under the Calcutta University, there's a lots of affiliated colleges are there. So they are under the Calcutta University. There's a affiliated. So here they provide the result and marks it all from the authorized from the Calcutta University. As your mark sheet is also from the Calcutta University, from graduation, post graduation, all. Ensure advocate availability of the quality faculty. Faculty के बारे में they also said, and promote capacity building. Education institution and promote capacity. Capacity is building is what? Building is what? Building is saying what? About your structure. As I mentioned above also, structural, institutional development. So there's faculty. Faculty is also very important. Faculty को भी quality faculty देना है and promote करना है capacity building, that is structure को good करना है and creating a atmosphere in the higher education institution to promote research. As I mentioned before also, the research. So research को भी innovation भी करना है, improvement भी करना है, आपको quality education देना है. So expand institution base by creating additional capacity in existing institution and establishing new institution to achieve higher enrollment and correct the regional imbalance in terms of access to higher education by setting up institution. Again they are setting up institutions, that is structural, improve unreserved area, something backward area. They're providing improved equity in the higher education by providing adequate opportunities of higher education to SC, ST and socially educationally backward classes and promote inclusion of women, minorities and differently abled persons. So this is about the RUSA. What about this is what? Improve the quality of higher education by providing adequate opportunity to the SC, ST categories and backward classes, women's को and differently able persons को. These are the objectives of USA. Not USA. These are the objectives of RUSA. RUSA is, I mentioned the full form of the RUSA is what? Rashtriya Uchchata Shiksha Abhiyan, which came in 2019. So this is, we did all the questions of WB set and we have ended. I hope you all like it. Thank you for watching. Thank you all. Let's see you soon in the next video.